Jeez. I hit it!
You hit it.
This week, our grass finally got long enough for us to move the playset into the backyard. We had to sand it and tighten all the screws and bolts, and it took us a while to figure out how to move it into the backyard because it's so big and awkward. Travis finally decided that we should try rolling it along on some pipes.
Making that noise, then it's not turning, you're just stripping it. And just do a little bit.
It was really slow going, but we finally made it into the backyard and got it all set up.
You gotta get both sides under, see it's not quite. There we go. Alright, watch out.
Sorry, where's Max?
Right there.
That's like a tape measure. I'm not.
You want to trade me spots,
Yeah.
maybe?
Yeah. We can't look at it.
I can help you do this.
Alright, so off that one.
Let me.
Okay.
Hey, bye.
It's okay, Lee.
Oh,
That's okay.
you can get your bike. Just do it back there, okay? Alright, so we're off that one.
We made it almost all the way up the hill before we got stuck, and then Travis decided we needed a little push to get us the rest of the way.
Ready? Are you able to turn it?
I think so.
Oh, you don't need the four-wheeler again?
Probably not, now that we're up the hill. Do you like it, Max?
Window.
The window?
Window.
What does nani mean?
Not window. Oh no.
You see deer out the window?
Run out.
They're running.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, nice.
I get over to there.
Be careful. No, do not climb down there.
Milo.
Yeah, don't climb down. Did you get a sliver?
Oh,
Come here, let me see it.
yeah.
Buddy, I don't think that's a great idea.
Come on, I did it on my way there.
Good job. Our kids would go fishing every day if we would take them. Unfortunately, this week though, Sawyer was playing with his fishing pole at home and accidentally broke it. And then later on, as you'll see in this video, Lincoln had a little accident, so we were down 2 fishing poles. Yeah? That was a good one, Link.
I can get back up for myself. I'm right here and back down, Mom.
Well, Lincoln accidentally threw his fishing pole over. Travis tried and tried to find his fishing pole, but it was gone.